Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use Tinder without paying. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, what you're going to do is create your account. You can use Google, Facebook, or your phone number. So after that, what you're going to do is fill out this form, enter your name, your email, your birthday, your gender, and many more. Now once you're done, you just simply click this and then there you have it. You can now use your Tinder app and match with different people. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.